All right. Hey, friends. I'm Digital Dwight. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of this Google Home Hub. You can tell it's brand new because I have to open it with a knife. Got the plastic still on here. Ooh, it's so fresh. Get out of here. Okay, so another one of these nice boxes that slides open so smoothly. What do we have inside? Inside, a screen. You see, just a little bit raised above the box here. And then I pull this screen out, and there is the device. Smaller than I expected. Really fits into my hand. It's not a whole lot bigger than my iPhone XS Max. You see the sizes there. Just about the same width. Well, I'm getting messages, of course. And definitely a little bit bigger, but I got the charcoal version. There's also a gray version, which I think is closer to black. This is the lighter version. Got a rubberized bottom here, orange. It's nice to the feel, nice to the touch, nice feel there. And you can take off this plastic lining along the screen. But let's see if it turns on. It's a microphone switch back here. And this is what looks to be a power button. There's a long slot right there. Turning it on. Does next to nothing. In fact, absolutely nothing. I'm going to need to charge it. Let's take this plastic off the screen first. You can do that from the back. Some people like to leave the plastic on the screen. I'm not one of those people. Okay. You know, the Google Home Hub, the reason I got this is because I have some Google Mini speakers in this house. In fact, I have quite a few of them, about 6 of them, or 7 actually, in this house. And I thought the Google Home Hub would be nice because it would give me the visual ability to control all of those mini speakers while also being a Google product. So it will play nicely in the same app, and that's important to me. Okay, I've got that off, and I still have no power here. So let's see what else is in the box. Opening this up here, slide that out. And we have a power cord. Exact same looking one that the Google Home, the Google Minis have, although those are micro USB, and this is a little barrel plug. See that? Different. So this has a little proprietary barrel plug, which is probably going to be annoying because if I ever lose this thing, I've got to get this exact same thing again. I can't just get a micro USB to replace it. But that is what it is. Let's see, what else do we have here in this box? Let's get started. A little quick start guide. Very simple. 2 pages. So simple. Plug it in, get the app. That's about it. That's all the instructions say. And then some safety and environmental and regulation type of things right there. There's one more little section to this box, I think. Nope, that's just a spacer, so things don't bang around. That's it. First impressions, smaller than I expected. Very nice build quality, about the same thinness of a phone. Elegant, very attractive. I like this gray, and it feels very nice to the touch. This material back here, the rubber down here, and of course the screen. I think that this would make a good addition to the house, and perhaps I'll do a follow-up review after I've taken some time to use it. Bye for now, friends.